Hi everyone, this is the Fall Thrift Store Flip hosted by the Holiday Cookie Diva. So now you see what I'm going to flip, and with just a few minor adjustments, as you can see coming up here, I'll be taking the front part off, and then from there I'll be painting. Okay, so let's get started. I'd like to thank Tracy from the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this wonderful challenge. Okay, so did you like the flip? Comment down below and let me know. To see more home decor and DIY here on my channel, subscribe down below. Become a part of my community of amours. And to all my subscribers, thank you, amours, and see you next time.